we've been asked by a number of our viewers, how do you actually hold your knife and fork? I've seen people hold the fork like this. I've seen people hold a fork like this, and their knife like this, even like this. I've actually seen that, I'm sure you have. You don't want to hold it like this, make that scratchy noise, and leave it like that. My suggestion is to actually use your index finger just at the joint here. Gives you adequate pressure, looks elegant like an extension, and the same with your index finger for your knife. So it's really like an extension going forward, and you're holding it like this. So you would pick it up, the fork and the knife, sitting up straight, not bending forward, taking the piece of meat or vegetable, using your knife, angle it, cutting it, bringing the fork up to your mouth, not you coming down to the fork. And once it's in your mouth, you can place it, your knife and fork, to the side. And when you have completed your meal, you may either place your knife and fork like that, or certainly like that. And as an added tip, if your guest or you are the host and not all your guests have finished their meal, the servers will come around, and if they see your knife and fork like this or like this, they will remove the plate. But you don't want to give pressure to your guest. So you might want to leave a little morsel, a little piece of food on your fork, and leave it down like that, and politely keeping your guest company. And when they have finished, you would just eat that last bit and place your knife and fork in the final position. I hope that's been useful. It certainly has been for me.